I think the whole world knows Rocky S as a great designer, commercial designer. I think for the first time we are collaborating together to bring a range which combines his Bollywood knowledge, the bling, with affordability. I think the best part about this whole range is it's going to be really affordable, cutting across men's, women's, accessories, deos, and for the first time, Indian designer doing undergarment line. Fantastic range. I'm sure it's going to really rock, and I'm thankful for Rocky for joining hands with us. Great work.
Thank you very much, and it's a great pleasure to launch RS by Rocky Star only at Shoppers Stop. I'm super excited, and I know it's going to do really well. I've got great guidelines and great retail platform, and that's it. All I can say is enjoy.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that all of you had been waiting for. It's time to call on stage our gorgeous brand ambassadors, who are none other than Bipasha Basu and Karan Singh Grover. Put your hands together for these gorgeous brand ambassadors. I'm going to request both of you to also kindly say a few words on this fabulous occasion.
Hello everyone. It's a wonderful day. I have seen Rocky, his growth as a designer, right from the time I first met him in I think 1997. And from then on, he's done such wonderful work in the business of fashion and films. And it's such a, to see your friend grow so big, and today he's launching his Pret line, which is extremely fashionable, and getting basically the idea of getting fashion door to door. It's like affordable, and everyone can look fashionable, and it's such a amazing tie-up with Shoppers Stop. Congratulations, all of you. And I'm just excited to be a part of this venture for him, because whatever he does, he puts in complete passion. And when you see the quality of work that he has done, whether it is the accessories or the clothes, or even I think what he has done fabulously is the men's underwear. I must say that, we have seen other brands, international brands, doing really well. And most Indian men vie for that. But I think now all the Indian men will go and buy RS by Rocky Star. All the best, Rocky. I love you.
Firstly, I'd just like to say hi to everyone, and congratulations, Rocky. Congratulations, Govind. I think you guys have made a good collaboration, and it's going to do awesomely well. And what can I say? I'm one of the lucky ones to be the first one to wear the RS underwear, and it's right here actually. It's yeah. Nothing but RS touches me anymore, so I'm very honored, and it's just a pleasure to be associated with Rocky and Shoppers Stop, and all the best. I'm sure it's going to do awesomely well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, time for the photo opportunity. I'm going to request everybody to come a step down.
Please walk on the ramp. Can you walk on the ramp?
We shall now move on to the general media bite from here. We shall now move on to the media bites. Okay, we'll have to move on to the media bite now. Now we'll move on to the general media bites. Please listen to our PR professionals and follow their guidelines. Please put your mics or booms forward for the general media bites.
Any questions, please? Hi, Pasha, this is Ekta. Pasha, मैं ये पूछना चाहूँगी कि आप अभी जैसे रॉकी स्टार एंडोर्स कर रही हैं, how different is this endorsement for you in general? हमने खुद आपको एक्सेसरी डिजाइनर के तौर पे डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे देखा है. So how different is this endorsement from your digital platform?
Well, देखिए, the trunklabel.com is mine, and this is Rocky Stars. You know, many brands can coexist, and they do different kinds of business. So yes, I am here today to support my dear friend because he's made really fantastic stuff. And when he asked me to be a part of this, it's something that I'm excited about as a girl because I'm a consumer. I like good things, I like fashionable things, and I've always loved everything that Rocky has designed. I decided to be a part of this campaign, and that's it. Similarly, Trunk Label is something that I curate myself. So I do take a lot of feedback from Rocky also when I started off. You know, this kind of give and take, we have this kind of synergy in all the work that we do.
But digital platforms, do they take more of a star's time because you're there more as a designer rather than just a brand endorsing that particular
You know,
brand?
I cannot really talk about everybody, but it depends on person's passion. If you want to lend your name and how deeply you want to be involved into something. I'm a kind of person, whenever I do something, I'm always involved. So yes, it does take a lot of time for me, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Ekta here, Roshni from B2C News. I just want to know, Bipasha, कि आप और करण की affairs की rumors आती रहती हैं. So ये जैसे brand को जो endorse कर रहे हैं आप इस Rockies से जो आपका collaboration हुआ है, तो इसके बारे में बताइए कि आप दोनों कपल जब साथ में आए हैं तो इससे उनको कितना फायदा होगा?
देखिए, सबसे पहली बात है हम सब दोस्त हैं और आज हम लोगों actually we have done this for Rocky. So किसको कितना फायदा होगा? मैं तो चाहूंगी सबको फायदा हो, आपको फायदा हो, इनको फायदा हो, कंज्यूमर्स को फायदा हो, तो फायदा तो सबको ही होना चाहिए. The fact that we look good together, there are a lot of people liking our campaign. It's fantastic. Today you will see some pictures. But we are not just together in the campaign, we are individually pushing different products. So ma'am, you have to see the campaign before you ask such
Okay,
strange
मेरा ये
questions.
सवाल है कि आप दोनों को ये कैंपेन अलग-अलग ऑफर हुई थी कि एक?
नहीं, हम लोग एक रूम में ही बैठे थे, ऑफर हो गई.
थैंक यू सो मच.
मैं ही बात करूं जरा, इन सब पहले इनसे पूछो फिर मुझसे. हाँ, अरे नो एंट्री, अभी बाद में बात करेंगे ना.
Okay, request.
I love Salman. Thank you, Salman. I love you.
Requesting everybody to stick to questions related to the brand, please.
Rocky will be able to buy this stuff online too?
Yes, it will be on shopperstop.com from tomorrow onwards. Today onwards, right now. Yes.
Right now, Rocky.
So you can go online and purchase.
Now, on the phone, start.
Yeah, you can start now actually. Just log on.
Any more questions?
Photo?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming. Thank you.
हाँ भूल गया था. No problem. जी क्या अब मैं आपको क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं पाया. शादियों पे और डेट्स पे क्या पहनता हूँ मैं?
और शॉपर स्टॉप से क्या खरीदते हैं? मेनली जाते हैं शॉपर स्टॉप तो क्या खरीदते हैं?
जी मैं सिर्फ RS बाय रॉकी स्टार पहनता हूँ. अब से एंड तक सिर्फ वही पहनूंगा.
नहीं कल तक क्या
आपकी शादी पे भी वही पहनूंगा. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं आपकी डेट पे आऊं तो मैं यही पहन के आऊंगा.
करण लॉन्च तो आज हुआ है ना, तो
जी.
आपने कल तक क्या पहनते थे? ये तो
मैं देखिए ये तो काफी टाइम पहले से शूट हुआ तो मैं काफी टाइम से यही पहन रहा हूँ.
उसके पहले
जी
उसके
पहले मैं ज्यादा कुछ पहनता नहीं था तो. थैंक यू.
विपाशा आप भी बताएं अपना स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट. क्या पहनना पसंद करती हैं शादियों में या कहीं भी जाती हैं?
क्या क्वेश्चन है? अच्छा मैं आपको ट्राई करूंगी इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने के लिए. आई थिंक for a woman and a girl, she's very temperamental and moody, so you have to dress according to your moods and the occasion. So जब शादी होती है किसी की, so definitely you want to wear Indian clothes or Indo-Western outfits. When you go for a date, you're much more casual and you're more of yourself. And because you're always putting an effort to impress the other person, so you dress your best. So I like to wear dresses, maxis, shorts, things like that, which I generally would wear not just to a date, I would also wear it for lunches and dinners with my friends. Yeah, thank you.
We shall now move on to the one-on-one interviews, which have already been pre-decided. So requesting those people to please remain behind, and I'm going to request everybody else to please join us for lunch outside. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, everybody. Please join us for lunch outside. Our PR professionals will approach the media for the one-on-one individually. The others.
आज it's a very exciting day. RS by Rocky Star का launch है Shopper Stop के साथ. लोगों को बहुत ही fashionable products मिलने वाले हैं, बहुत ही affordable range में. So I'm excited because ये मेरे दोस्त Rocky की बहुत अच्छी growth है. And आप ही बात करो.
फेस कवर हो रहा है, नीचे रखो दिखाया. आप पहले एडजस्ट कर लो ना. आपकी दोस्ती 97 से रहा जी, तो कितना बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट मानते हैं कि आप आज वो आपको ये इन्होंने ऐसा मौका दिया?
देखिए बहुत बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट है ये कि in today's time he could have chosen anyone to be a part of his campaign, but we have had a great association.
Yeah, I want the best.
No,
and then I get
it. How sweet. Sweet of him to think that I'm the best, and I love wearing Rocky S, so anything for him.
और क्या कहना चाहेंगे? इतना बड़ा ब्रांड है शॉपर स्टॉप में, और ये प्रोडक्ट्स बिकेंगे तो कितना अच्छा, मतलब कितनी मार्केट वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगी शॉपर स्टॉप जैसे बड़े ब्रांड में कोई चीज बिकती है?
देखिए आई थिंक रॉकी के प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में अगर कहें तो वो हमेशा डेफिनेटली ही इज डेफिनेटली वर्क वेरी हार्ड So everything that they're going to sell under the brand is going to be very, very desirable. तो मुझे लगता है ये एक it's going to be profitable for Shoppers Stop and for the RS brand and for the consumers. So it's going to be like great for everyone.
रॉकी, आप सवाल है कि आपने शॉपर्स स्टॉप को चुना, तो मेनली क्या होता है कि वहाँ पे जो टारगेट ऑडियंस होती है वो या तो मिडिल क्लास आती है या तो अपर मिडिल क्लास। आपका टारगेट क्या है?
आई थिंक मिडिल क्लास हो या अपर क्लास हो, सबको फैशन की जरूरत है और सबको अफोर्डेबल फैशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट और अच्छा लगता है। शॉपर्स स्टॉप से अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिल सकता है मुझे, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई एम a part of Shoppers Stop and selling my clothes and my accessories and everything in Shoppers Stop.
So affordable?
Of course, everything is very, very affordable.
Could you please talk about your association with Rocky?
Firstly, तो मैं कहना चाहूँगा it's a great pleasure and an honor to be the face of RS by Rocky Star. और जो इन्होंने किया है वो आज तक आई थिंक किसी और डिजाइनर ने नहीं किया है, वो है कि फैशन और ग्लैमर इन्होंने now it's come to millions of people and it's affordable. It's like Rocky said कि ग्लैमर और फैशन की जरूरत सबको है और क्योंकि इनके रेट्स इतने अफोर्डेबल हैं, अब सबके पास ग्लैमर होगा, फैशन होगा, RS होगा।
आप दोनों की जोड़ी की अगर बात करें क्या
मेरे और उनकी और तीन है जोड़ी।
ट्रायो, हमारी ट्रायो बहुत
क्या आप क्या
हमारी ट्रायो बहुत अच्छी है, उनसे पूछिए।
लास्ट क्वेश्चन एक ये लास्ट
क्योंकि आप तो ब्रांडिंग कर रहे हैं, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
जी मैं तो यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि आई एम वेरी ऑनर्ड, इट्स अ प्लेजर कि रॉकी ने मुझे चुना इसके लिए to be a face of his campaign and
face and the body.
Face and yeah.
And he's justified 100%, so I'm so happy.
करण और बिपाशा, लास्टली फैशन की बात हो रही है तो बॉलीवुड में किसको आपको लगता है सबसे बेस्ट, मतलब एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस में किसको बेस्ट स्टाइल आइकॉन मानते हैं या फैशनेबल?
Of course.
मैं फैशन लेबल चला रही हूँ खुद का, द ड्रंक लेबल, सो डेफिनेटली खुद को ही मानूंगी।
ओके, एंड करण आप?
मैं एक्चुअली सब कुछ अपने आप को ही मानता हूँ, मैं किसी और को कुछ ज्यादा मानता नहीं हूँ। That's what I have to say. Thank you.
Thank you very much.